Do you want to be able to code your own AI applications? At Wintrado Academy, we've designed a hands-on, practical course that gets you right into the action. It's time to level up with our course, Developing AI Applications with Python. Over 4 weeks, you'll get an in-depth and practical understanding of data science, machine learning models, neural networks, and image processing. 4 real projects, real skills. You'll tackle tasks like loan approval, serious buyer detection, and image classification. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to prepare datasets, implement machine learning models, and develop AI solutions using Python and Google Colab. Whether you're a data enthusiast, aspiring data scientist, or tech professional, this course is for you. It builds on your existing Python skills and makes complex AI concepts easy to grasp and apply. Learn from Dr. Ahmed Kuzai Sabri, a top AI expert with 15 years of teaching experience. He's got the knowledge and he's ready to share it with you. Our course includes 4 live sessions, 4 in-depth lessons, and 4 projects to apply your learning. You'll get access to all course materials and earn a certificate upon completion. Don't get left behind while others harness the power of AI. Equip yourself with the skills you need to excel in your career and stay competitive in the tech industry. Enroll now and be part of the next cohort. Secure your spot today and take control of your future with AI.